Double-reprocessing high-level disinfection protocol does not eliminate positive cultures from the elevators of duodenoscopes. Introduction. Duodenoscopes used to perform endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography, ERCP, have structural features that make their successful disinfection more challenging compared with the standard endoscopes that are used for upper gastrointestinal endoscopy and colonoscopy. Specifically, the elevator mechanism of a duodenoscope is accompanied by small spaces that are difficult to access with manual cleaning tools, which are therefore susceptible to accumulation of debris and bacteria that can potentially transmit infection between patients. It is recommended that all endoscopes, including duodenoscopes, undergo standardized steps of manual cleansing and disinfection after each use. Failure to reprocess endoscopes according to these detailed protocols has been recognized for 4 decades to create infection risk. Recently, however, a general dogma that endoscopic transmission of infection can be prevented by strict adherence to disinfection protocols has been challenged in the case of duodenoscopes. An outbreak of ERCP-transmitted infection could not be attributed to a breakdown in cleaning and disinfection processes. The conclusion that ERCP scopes could transmit infection, despite the performance of cleaning and disinfection according to recommended protocols for high-level disinfection, HLD, led to reassessment and revision of HLD recommendations by the Food and Drug Administration, FDA, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. Background and study aim. Duodenoscopes have been the source of serious infection, despite correct performance of high-level disinfection, HLD. This study aimed to observe the impact of performing HLD twice on the rate of positive cultures from duodenoscope elevators. Methods. The authors performed double HLD, DHLD, i.e. complete manual cleaning followed by automated reprocessing, with the entire process repeated, and then randomly cultured the elevators of our duodenoscopes on about 30% of occasions. Results. DHLD was associated with positive elevator cultures for any microorganism in 9.4% of cases, with a 0.8% rate of known pathogens, 627 cultures, between May 2015 and February 2016. After February 2016, and in association with changing the pre-cleaning fluid, as well as use of a new FDA-recommended cleaning brush, the rate of positive cultures for any microorganism after DHLD was 4.8% and 0.2% for known pathogens, 420 cultures. In a third phase, characterized by a change in personnel performing DHLD and retirement of a duodenoscope with a high rate of positive cultures, the rate of positive cultures for any microorganism was 4.9%, 783 cultures, and the rate of positive culture for known pathogens was 0.3%. To our knowledge, no duodenoscope transmission of infection occurred during the study interval. Conclusion. DHLD resulted in a low rate of positive cultures for known pathogens and for organisms of low pathogenic potential, but did not eliminate these from duodenoscope elevators. Additional improvements in HLD protocols and/or duodenoscope design are needed.